The title of this poem is Waiting, Waiting. Let us start. Night falls, birds close their wings. Some give drinks to their kids, some happy and some sad. I remain waiting, but she does not. I was alone in my dwelling, watching what is happening around. Moon dim and stars running. I remain waiting, but she does not. I try my best to catch that in the remote rented room, but my efforts totally fail. I remain waiting, but she does not. I remain gazing to that way, very agog and with full sense, without making any mistake. I remain waiting, but she does not. I spray perfume on my quilt, decorate by even knick-knack, soft cushion and new clothes. I remain waiting, but she does not. My heart was throbbing and lips dry. Sweat gushed like rain, cozy breaths and legs tired. I remain waiting, but she does not. Tears start rolling down my cheeks. I alone pray to my Lord. Night ends and azan calls. I remain waiting, but she does not. Thanks for watching.